In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to maximize your DoorDash earnings with smart timing and order selection. Let's start by making your time on the road count. Peak hours are your best friend because that's when demand naturally surges. Think lunch and dinner when people are ordering the most and restaurants are at their busiest. Planning your dash around these windows means more orders coming in, shorter waits between offers, and usually better payouts. If you can, be online a few minutes before the rush begins so you're in position when the first wave hits. Next, position yourself near hotspots and busy restaurants. In most delivery apps, hotspots show areas with higher order volume. Park safely within a short driving distance of several reliable merchants so you can accept and pick up quickly. Get to know which restaurants prepare food fast and which ones have long lines or limited parking. Clustering yourself near a mix of cuisines and price points helps too, since you'll see a wider range of orders without having to relocate constantly. When offers come in, focus on the dollar to mile ratio to maximize profit. This simply means comparing the payout to the distance you'll drive. Orders that pay well for a short, efficient trip are usually the winners. As you decide, factor in real-world conditions, traffic at that time of day, parking challenges, and whether the drop-off is in a complex that slows you down. It's also worth considering where an order leaves you. A great payout isn't as helpful if it strands you far from the next hotspot with no easy way back. Now, make the most of features designed to expand your opportunities. If available in your market, Earn by Time can provide more predictable earnings during slower stretches with a per-hour base plus tips. Be sure you understand the rules for your area, as this mode often requires maintaining a stronger acceptance rate. Speaking of acceptance rate, keeping yours solid can help you see more consistent order flow and may unlock additional programs or priority access depending on the platform. And always carry your red card. It opens the door to more order types, including place and pay deliveries at stores and restaurants that don't accept prepaid orders through the app. To wrap up, remember this guiding principle. Smart timing and thoughtful order selection usually matter more than simply staying online longer. Show up during the rush, stage yourself by hotspots, choose offers with a strong return for the miles, and use the tools available to you. With practice, these habits stack together and turn your time on the road into reliable, higher quality earnings.